There's so many benefits to working for the HSE.
It's varied and it's diverse. We've got sort of people with different cultures in my office, different experiences, different qualifications. To be able to reach out to those individuals for assistance, for departments, I think that's one of the key things for me that makes the organisation unique.
It's very supportive, it's friendly, and it's a very willing sort of organisation.
I think one of the things that I love about working at the HSE, it's very intentional in what it's doing. So it knows what it wants to do, it's got clear aims, it's got clear objectives.
Well, our role has three sort of main elements to it. The first being that we investigate accidents, fatals, injuries and dangerous occurrences, near misses, to work out A, what happened, B, how it can be avoided from happening again, and see whether someone needs to be held to account. I think the other main part of the role is our proactive work.
Ensuring that employers, so through inspections or investigative work, ensuring that employers are adhering to health and safety law, and where they're not, is taking appropriate enforcement action. We can take anything from serving notices, which can prohibit work, but also improvement notices, which dictate that employers must take certain actions to improve their working practices.
There's that moment where you've gone to visit a contractor at a site, and maybe they've done something that wasn't good enough and they've had to do some corrective measures, and then you see them again on another site and actually they're doing it right.
The third part, which often isn't mentioned about the job, is the engagement side of the job. So the HSE works with industry to get messages out to the public.
What would I say to someone thinking of joining the HSE?
I would say come and give it a try.
It's a challenge, but it's perhaps one of the best challenges I've ever undertaken.
If you're looking for a job that's different, that no 2 days are the same.
You're never going to be bored, that you're always going to be challenged. Yes, it is hard work.
But you'll be supported in that, and we work together very much as a team, and you'll be a valued team member.
The commitment to training from the HSE is like nothing I've ever seen before from any other workplace.
Every inspector and every specialist in the organisation has had to do this training programme.
And that's both technical training and training in the softer skills as well as legal training as well, which of course wouldn't get in other sort of industries necessarily in the same way.
Really, we're an unbroken chain of 200 years of inspectors passing on information from one to the other, and you don't get that in many other roles, do you?
You do feel like you're making a difference. You do feel like you're having an impact on the world around you, and it is a very, very rewarding job to do.
One of the great things about this job is making sure, or trying to ensure, that those individuals that go to work are able to come back sort of safely to their loved ones.